Hello everyone, learn how to make a professional resume within 5 minutes or maximum 10 minutes, and overall the look and feel of that resume will be wonderful and awesome. So for that, open your browser and type canva.com, and it will take hardly a minute to sign up for Canva. And once you have signed up, here you will find, and it is absolutely free, and here you just need to click on create a design. So it will not take much time. The moment you click on create a design, at the right corner, bottom right corner, you will have a lot of options and you will find resume. So I'll click on resume and a new window will appear like this. Now here we have this results, like how you can use the templates. So from here at the left hand side, you can choose whatever the templates you want to. There are free templates, some of them are premium. So I'll take the free template here. So you can see right now I have made it, and from here you can click grid view like that, or you can simply click on that. And from the percentage, you can make it 50% or 100%. And from here, you can edit, you can mention your profile, education, you can add your skills, you can add your work experience, right? If you're working as a graphic designer or anything, you can edit from here, you can edit your details. And once this is done, you can create a wonderful, a professional looking resume in 5 to 10 minutes. So, and there are a lot of options at the left hand side. There are a lot of free and premium options through which you can just have a look and create a professional resume. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. If this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.